We suggest using the moisturizing device to protect the print head when the printer is idle during your vacation or for more than 3 days. All you need is a set of moisturizing devices and moisturizing liquids. First, take out the original dampers from the printer and seal them in a bag. Pour the moisturizing liquid into the bottle and pull out 3 milliliters from each damper. Then, place the moisturizing device dampers on the ink carriage and pull out the liquid from the waste ink line until the liquid color becomes lighter. Make sure the moisturizing liquid has filled the entire ink path to protect the print head. If you do not use the printer for a long time, the moisturizing liquid may evaporate. It is recommended to refill the liquid and pull out moisturizing liquids from the dampers and waste ink lines once a month. If you want to resume using the printer and stop using the moisturizing device, perform the following steps. Take out the moisturizing device dampers. Pull out 3 milliliters of ink from the original dampers and put them back into the ink carriage. Clean the print head in the software and print a nozzle test page to check the status of the print head. Above are the complete tutorials for the moisturizing device application and printer back to use operation.